So what you guys built today?
What I have right here is an awesome Micro ATX gaming PC with RGB featuring the RX 6600 XT and i5 12400. This will be great for entry-level 1440p gaming and 1080p high refresh rate, and it'll be sold over at PC Bros for $1,200.
And this one right here is a pretty similar deal. It'll be $1,150, so a little bit cheaper, and it's a Ryzen 5 5500 and also an RX 6600 XT. So $1,150, pretty good deal on both of these bad boys, really.
Buy this PC and many others over at PCBros.tech.